Okay gang, on this one you're doing the upper and lower sum, and unlike problem number like 35, I can't, like 35 I could estimate the values and they didn't give me a function, but here I can't estimate the values and they gave me the function. So you're going to do this one a little differently. Alright, so let's first see how many rectangles they're using. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, they're using 5. And let's figure out the width of them, right? So if it's from 1 to 2, that's a distance of 1. 1 divided by 5 is 0.2. So the width is 0.2. If I did that too fast, let me write that down. So the width of one rectangle is the length of the interval. So the right endpoint minus the left endpoint divided by 5. Which is 1/5. Okay, so let's say we start with the lower, so area of the lower sum, and we have to add together 5. Oh, I didn't leave enough room here. I'm going to have to squeeze better. 5. I'm going to have to squeeze better. Hold on 1 second here. Okay. Alright, so we know the area is 1/5. I'm just going to squeeze it better on the next round here. First one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. Okay, that's the width, right? Because area is length times width. That's the width of all the rectangles. So now I'm going to go ahead and do the height. It's since it's a lower, since it's a decreasing function. Oh, you know what? So I have the left side. Let me change my mind. I just think when it's a decreasing function, the upper is easier to see first. Alright, let's do the upper sum. So since it's a decreasing function, the upper sum will be gotten from the left endpoint. The left endpoint. So here, here, here. This will be give you the roof. Here and here. So that means that I want to use... Alright, maybe I better zoom in on this for you guys. Is that 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 5. Alright, so since you know that the width is 1/5, I can see that it'd just be easy if I wrote it as a decimal here. So the width is 0.2 or 1/5. So for here I'm going to write 1.2 because I've moved over a distance of 0.2. That's the width. Then I'm going to move over another distance of 0.2. Then I'll move over another distance of 0.2. And then same here, another distance of 0.2 and so on. Now, the upper sum is going to come, because it's a decreasing function, the upper sum is going to come from the left side. So this side is going to make the roof for the first one. So you're going to use, so this y value depends on this x value. So where you put that again is in the function. The function is y equals 1 over x. You have to put this x value in the function to get this height. So you're doing 1 over 1. And that gives you this height, which is the roof. Alright, for the next one, if we're doing the upper sum, it's the left side because it's a decreasing function. So to get this y value, you have to use this x. So this x in to get the y. So it's 1 over 1.2. Alright, next one, upper sum, we're going to use this. So you're going to put 1.4 into the function. 1 over 1.4. Okay, this one. 1.6, this one 1 over 1.8. It may have been easier for some people to write fractions for this, so if you prefer the fraction, you could definitely do it. I wasn't discouraging. Like this would have been 1 over, what did we have? 1 1/5, which you would probably want to write as like 6/5, and then that easily flips up to 5 over 6. Like if you have it in fraction form, it easily flips up. So it's just up to you how you want to do it, and then it reduces real easy with the multiplier in front. Okay, I'm going to pull out the 1/5. So 1 plus 1 over 1.2 plus 1 over 1.4 plus 1 over 1.6 plus 1 over 1.8. All right. Yeah, if you had the fractions, that might have been easier. It just depends how your brain likes it. I think my brain would have preferred it now that I'm looking at it that way. But I've already done it this way, so I'm going to just keep going. 1 over 1.2, 1 divided by 1.4 plus 1 divided by 1.6 plus 1 divided by 1.8. Oh, I must have put something wrong somewhere. Hold on a second. 1, alright, clear. 1 plus 1 divided by 1.2 plus 1 divided by 1.4 plus 1 divided by 1.6 plus 1 divided by 1.8 equal. Okay, so that is about 3.728, blah, blah, blah. We got to times that by 1/5. Okay, so this is about 0.7456. All right, so that is the upper sum. So I'll just leave it at this for this one. I'll let you guys calculate the lower sum because I think you have the gist how to do it. You actually have to use the function this time, but I will just help you get started with it. So the lower sum, the first rectangle, for the lower sum, you want to use this point. So for the first rectangle, you're going to use 1.2. For the next rectangle, you're going to use 1.4. For the next one, you use 1.6. For the next one, you're going to use 1.8. And for the last one, you use 1.2. Okay, so when you're doing the lower sum, you're going to use this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one, okay? Alright gang, I'll leave it at this one for number 39. I did the upper for you guys. Alright, catch you. Bye-bye.